Ford Fiesta, changing the brake ball. Two screws. So this just needs to be unplugged from there. It's a little clip, squeeze it underneath. Can't do it one-handed unfortunately. And then we'll remove the bulb holder. So just a matter of unclipping here and here. It lifts out. So this is the offending bulb. Brake light. Twist it, out it comes. The new ones. We've got two different levels, plus and minus. Plus goes to that one. There we go. See if I can do this one-handed. The right way round, eh? There we go. Plug it back in. And these two pins push into here and here. Two screws here, somewhere down here. So, a horrible rainy day. Just pushes into place. Like that. And screw back in here.